What are the punishment that are given by the court of law for the defamation case? So hello friends, my name is Kunal and I welcome you all to this new video. In this particular video, I am going to talk about the punishments that can be given by the court of law for defamation. So let us understand in detail. So the activity of defamation can be either criminal or civil. In civil defamation case, the written or the spoken statement should be made without the knowledge or consent of the person who has been defamed, and the statement should be false. Whereas if I talk about the criminal defamation, so the statements that have been made for another person must be derogatory in nature, and it must be made with the prior information. That means a person had already had a prior information or knowledge that this will harm the reputation or the integrity of a person. So there are two activities of defamation. The first one is civil and the second one is criminal. So if I talk about civil defamation, in civil defamation, the highest penalty or the punishment will be that the monetary compensation will be maximum. It means there will be maximum monetary compensation in the civil defamation case if civil defamation suit is filed. However, section 499 and 500 of the IPC lays down the principles and the punishment for the criminal defamation. So if the person who has been defamed by anyone, he shall be libeled and accountable by the court of law, and he will be given the imprisonment up to 2 years. So for more information, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.